Merge Agent Handler is the most comprehensive platform for securely connecting AI agents to thousands of third-party tools via custom MCP servers. In this video, we'll build a workflow with GitHub, Notion, and Slack. Let's start by creating a tool pack. Tool packs define exactly which connectors and tools an agent can access. Let's create a new tool pack and add GitHub so we can gather activity from a repository. And as you can see, we can also lock down which tools will be available to the agent. Some connectors can be authenticated at an organization level and others by individual users, granting them access to that user's context. Let's also add the Notion and Slack connectors to this toolpack. Let's click the Test Toolpack button to open the playground. First, let's gather all of the commits from the last few months in our project repository. As we haven't yet authenticated GitHub, the Merge Link UI will appear and provide a standardized authentication flow prompting us for access. Once this is done, the agent can perform the request using the tools available and generate the summary we've asked for. Now off camera, I've also authenticated to both Notion and Slack, so those tools are now also available in our tool pack. I can now ask the agent to add the summary to our Notion workspace. And we see here there's a Slack channel, so finally let's send the summary into the Slack channel to make sure that our teams see it. Every action taken by our agent is available in the logs, so we can see exactly what has happened. We can see the connector, the tool, and the tool pack. And because each of the connectors is provided out of the box and maintained by the Merge team, you can see the underlying API requests that are being made by the tools. We also want to make sure that you can deploy agents safely and provide a set of security rules which you can enable to block, redact, or log values provided in outbound tool calls, such as personally identifiable information, URLs, or anything else via custom rules. Now, your agent is made available via a custom MCP server, which will only have access to the connections and the tools configured in your tool pack. This means you can access the same features in any MCP client. And here is our workflow running one last time in our MCP client. The agent has access to orchestrate the usage of tools we provided via the tool pack. It will grab data from GitHub, summarize it, and then add it to Notion and post on Slack. As well as the workflow, we've also explored some of Merge Agent Handler's features to support compliance and security, so you can feel confident in using and monitoring agents. It's a super fun platform, and we would love to hear what you think. Try it out now at merge.dev.